this or this? Alright guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can rotate your vertical video into horizontal position by using Sony Vegas Pro. The first step, go to the file and search for properties. Click it and go to the width and height over here. Now what you're going to do is to switch up the resolution. For example, 1920 for the width and 1080 for the height. After that, you click apply and OK. Now your video should look something like that. Second step, go to your video track and look for event pan crop. Click it and then you should see the position right here. For the width and height, you do the same thing as you did previously. For example, 1920 for the width and 1080 for the height. Press enter after you insert. Now, your video should look something like that. It's not there yet, so you go back and search for the rotation bar where you see the angle. You just insert 90 and then press enter. Now, your video is finally in the horizontal position. However, it doesn't seem quite right, isn't it? Because it's upside down. So, go back to the window and you right click on your mouse and flip horizontal. Now your video might look mirrored. So if it look mirrored, you just go back to the window and right click again and flip vertical. After you flip, you can close the window and here it is. You can finally enjoy your video in the right position.